It's 2026, and the average human attention span has dropped to 47 seconds. We are living through the Great Fragmentation. You think you are choosing what to look at. You are wrong. You are being farmed. Every notification is a needle. Every scroll is a microtransaction of your soul. Your brain wasn't designed for this infinite context switching. In the medical journals of 2026, we call it attention residue. When you check your phone for just 3 seconds, your brain doesn't return to your work immediately. It leaves a piece of itself behind, like a ghost in the machine. By noon, most people are functioning on 20% of their cognitive capacity. They aren't lazy. They are fractured. To understand the fix, we must look at the prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain. In a state of deep work, the brain begins to coat your neural pathways in a substance called myelin. Think of myelin as high-speed fiber optic insulation. For your thoughts? The more you focus on a single, difficult task, the thicker the myelin becomes. This is how masters are made. This is how a coder writes 1,000 lines of perfect logic, or a strategist sees a move 10 steps ahead. But there is a catch. Myelin only develops when the brain is pushed to its cognitive limit, without interruption. The moment you check that urgent email, the process stops, the insulation thins. You are back at zero. In 2026, focus is no longer a soft skill. It is a biological upgrade. The secret of the cognitive elite isn't that they work more. It's that they work differently. They follow the 4-hour focus protocol. The human brain only has about 4 hours of peak deep work capacity per day. That's it. Most people spend those 4 hours in a shallow fog of meetings and messages. The elite spend them in the bunker. They synchronize their work with their ultradian rhythms, the 90-minute cycles of high-frequency brain activity. 90 minutes of absolute isolation. 20 minutes of total rest. Repeat. Twice. No phones. No music with lyrics. No. Quick questions. In these 4 hours, they produce more value than the average worker does in a 40-hour week. They aren't working harder. They are working deeper. The world wants you distracted. A distracted mind is a consuming mind, but a focused mind is a dangerous mind. It is a mind that can build empires, solve the unsolvable, and see through the noise of 2026. The strategy is simple, but the execution is war. It starts with the off switch. It ends with the realization that your attention is the only thing you truly own. Protect it. Build the bunker. And watch what happens when you finally stop and look at one thing until it speaks back to you.